Well, hi, Happy. My name is Bindu, and I'm from Windstream Energy Technology. As you can see, this is a vertical axis wind turbine. You might have seen a traditional windmill in the outskirts of the city. So this is the smallest and the wind turbine. So these are the projects which we did. It's a toll plaza which you can see on the top over there, and that's a hybrid street light. You can find it in Gachibowli on the main road, and it's a wind wall. It's the first wind wall in India. And this is a telecom tower. We basically use diesel, but we replaced it with the turbines. Okay. And then this is a rural development. We put it on the houses. And then this is a fisheries and marine. You see men going for fishing for many days, so for them to utilities for cooking and also freezing the fishes. We use the turbines. And their healthcare, in the circle you might have seen the ambulance. It's for the veterinary purposes. And then this is a ecothermal to freeze the things.
Is this still in development or it's released to the public?
Yeah, it is released to the public, and these are the examples. Whatever we did.
What does this do? That hybrid?
Well, it's a hybrid street light. We used the thermal and also the turbine. This turbine, which is in the smallest size, we put it there along with the thermal solar light. You like it?
Yeah, I like it. And is it safety to others?
Yes, it is safety. You might have seen the traditional fans, right? You can see, if you go near it, you can see many birds dying over there. So this thing, even a bird goes through it, it can go through it. And it rotates only in the anti-clockwise direction, so that we can't hurt ourselves. If you put it this direction and it's in clockwise direction, we'll get hurt, right?
Yeah.
It will rotate only in clockwise direction, so that even though you stop it, you won't get any hurt.
Okay. Thank you. Did you start to do?
Well, it's been over 11 years, over a decade.
Over a decade. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you want one candy?
Yeah. Thank you.
Welcome.